Welcome back, friends. Previously in this chapter we learned about the volume. So what is the volume? Volume means it is amount that any container can hold. Okay. Then we learned three equations. For here we are only concentrating on the volume of cuboid and cylinder. When you learn in upper standard, then you will learn the volume of other 3D object also. Here you need to remember three objects, that is volume of cube. So what is the equation for a volume of cube? That is L multiply L multiply L. It means it is L cube. Volume of cuboid, that is L multiply B multiply H. Or you can say base area multiply height. Then we learn volume of cylinder, that is again you can say base area multiply height. Or you can say here in a cylinder, base area is what? Pi r square. That's why its equation is pi r square h. Okay. Also we saw example that are given in a textbook. Today we will solve extra example related to volume of cube and cuboid. So let's start the first example. This kind of example can be asked for MCQ or 1 or 2 marks questions. So first, a milk container is 8 cm long, 50 cm wide. What should be its height so that it can hold 4 liters of milk? What is the question? Here the container is 8 cm long and 50 cm wide. You need to find height that can hold 4 liters. Now 4 liters hold, it means it is the capacity of container. Container can hold 4 liters of milk. Means the capacity is given, means it is the volume given. So what should be height? But you can see here the unit is in a centimeter. This unit is also in a centimeter, but capacity is in a liter. So first of all we need to convert that capacity into centimeter. Now already we learned about the conversion of units in a liter and centimeter and meter. So what is 1 liter? 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. So that is what? 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter. So 4 liter is equal to 4000 centimeter. Now unit is in a centimeter. So we can write volume of container, or you can say capacity of container is equal to LBH. Volume is given 4000. Here we are considering capacity as a volume. Length is given 8, breadth is given 50, and we need to find height. To find height, take 8 and 15 and divide. So it is 4000 divide 8 and 50. 8 5s are 40. So here it will be 10. So H will be 10 centimeter. Height must be 10 centimeter. So it can measure 4 liter of clear. Now next one. What will happen to the volume of cube if ages is half? So this kind of example we already solved in textbook example. So when age will be half. So if age is L, then volume will be L cube. But if ages will be half, so that is L by 2. So volume will be L by 2 cube. So it is what? L multiply L multiply L, 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. So that is L cube by 8. So what will be the volume? It is 1/8 of volume of cube. So it is 1/8 of volume of cube. If its ages is half, then its volume becomes 1/8 of the original volume of the cube. Clear? Now what will happen when the ages is triple? So it means when age is L, so volume will be what? L cube, because we are only considering the cube. So when age is L, its volume will be L cube. But if it is multiplied by 3, it is triple. So when So what will be volume? It is 3L. Now it means 3L multiplied 3L multiplied 3L, 3 times. So that is 27L cube. So volume becomes 27 times volume of cube. Why? Because L cube means what? It is a volume of cube when H is L. But if it is 3 times, then its volume becomes 27 times the volume of original cube. Clear? Now next one. What will happen? This kind of example can be asked for MCQ. To the volume of cuboid, if its length is double, height is same, and breadth is half. So again the question is what? Length is double, height is same, and breadth is half. So when length is L, breadth is B, and height is H. So volume will be what? LBH. That is what? Volume of cuboid when length is L, breadth is B, and height is H. But if length is double, so but when length become 2L, double of L is 2L, height is same, it is H, and breadth will be half. So that is B by 2. So what will be the volume? 12 multiplied H multiplied B by 2. So here we can cancel out this 2. So it is again LBH. So it is same. You can write it is the volume of cube whenever it is same as length L, breadth B, and height H. Now next example, 3 cuboid of dimension 5 cm, 6 cm, 7 cm. That is the first cuboid of dimension 5 by 6 by 7. Second cuboid that is 4 cm by 7 cm by 8 cm. And third cuboid that is of 2 cm, 3 cm and 13 cm are melted and cube is made. Find the size of cube. So what is the question here? 3 cuboid are there and they are melted, and after melting that it is converted into the cube. So whatever the volume of first cube, whatever the volume of second cube, and whatever the volume of third cube, the volume remains same, because if it is in a melting or if it is in a solid form, both volume will be same. So here first cuboid is of size 5 cm, 6 cm and 7 cm. So first of all we will find the volume of first cuboid, then volume of second cuboid, and then volume of third cuboid. After that we will add all this volume, and from that we can find the volume. From the volume of that addition, that will be volume of cube, and from that we can find the size of side. So let's start here. Volume of cuboid 1. So that is 5 cm multiply 6 cm multiply 7 cm. So that is 6 5 are 30, 210 cm cube. Now volume of cuboid 2, that is 4 cm, 7 cm and 8 cm. So this 56 multiply 4. So it is 224 cm cube. Now volume of cuboid 3, that is 2 cm multiply 3 cm multiply 30. So it is 78 cm cube. Now volume of cube will be what? volume of 3 cuboid. So that is 210 plus 240, 24 plus 78. So now add this. So it is 512 centimeter cube, because cuboid are melted and then it is converted into cube. So volume of cube will be addition of volume of 3 cuboid. That's why volume of cube will be 512. So now we need to find the side. So we can write volume of cube. What is the equation? It is L cube. But here the volume of cube is 512 is equal to L cube. Now we need to find L, so take Q1, right side it become cube root. So L will be 8 centimeter, because 512 is a cube of 8. Now next one. How many wooden cubical blocks of a size 25 centimeter can be cut from the log of wood of size 3 meter by 75 centimeter by 50 centimeter, assuming that there is no wastage? So what is the question here? How many wooden cubical blocks, means cube blocks are made of size 25 centimeter from what? Of cuboid of size 3 meter, 75 centimeter, 50 centimeter. So here you can see this is in a unit 3 meter. So from the block that is of 3 meter by 75 centimeter by 50 centimeter, from that we need to make a cube. So first we need to find the volume of cuboid. So here let's first L is 3 meter. So that is 300 centimeter. B is 75 meter and H is 50 centimeter. So volume of wooden log is equal to LBH, that is 300 multiply 75 multiply 50 centimeter cube. Now what is the volume of cube? That is L cube. Volume of cubical block will be L cube, but it is of 25 centimeters, so we need to multiply 25 3 times. Centimeter. Now number of blocks we can find by dividing total volume. Volume of wooden log divided by volume of cubical block. This is the total volume. This is the volume of one block. So number of block can be found by dividing the total volume with the volume of one block. So it is 3000 divided by 7 multiply 75 multiply 50 divide 25 and 25 2 25 3 and so it is 72 blocks can be made from the cubical blocks.